Here's how to set up a range of motion test on your ActivForce app. Hit Start Test. From the configuration screen, select ROM under Type, then choose the side, joint, movement, and position. You can also name your test to make it easier to find in the dashboard later. Click Start Test again when you're done. Select the device you want to pair and press Done. There will first be a short calibration period. Avoid pressing or moving the device to ensure accurate readings. Data capture will start after the 3-second countdown. You can adjust the duration of the test in your app settings. Once the test is complete, the graph will instantly display the results. Range of motion tests display the maximum angle achieved during the movement. The time to max angle can be seen in the full session report on the web dashboard. These metrics can indicate improvements in movement efficiency and end range capability, supporting accurate performance evaluation and progression planning. From the summary page, you can repeat or redo the test, compare sides, adjust the setup, or save to the dashboard. Click on Save once you're done testing. There you can edit the test name, which will appear on the dashboard, and add a test subject identifier to view progress tracking. Click Done to save. Streamline your workflow by combining multiple tests in one session, giving you cleaner data and clearer insights. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.